What happens when you let artificial intelligence make every decision in your life, from what to eat or what to wear? I did it for 24 hours and the results were shocking. Yep, from what I eat to what I wear, where I go, what I do, even what I say, everything was decided by AI. And let me tell you, things got weird, surprising, and little uncomfortable. Stick around till the end to see the most crazy thing AI made me do. Let's jump into it. Morning routine. First things first, I asked ChatGPT to plan my morning routine. Here's what it gave. Wake up at 8 am, do 5-minute breathing exercise, 10-minute cold shower, eat a high-protein breakfast like eggs plus toast plus green tea. I usually scroll on my phone for 20 minutes and drink coffee, but I said no, and honestly, the cold shower kinda worked. Outfit choice. Next, I told AI to pick my outfit. ChatGPT prompt was, pick a fun but practical outfit for someone working from home in summer. AI suggests light cotton shirt, casual joggers, no socks, wear something yellow or for energy. Not bad honestly, but I never wear yellow. It kinda makes me look like a banana. Work schedule. Then I asked AI to schedule my entire workday. AI work plan: 9:30 to 10 get set goals, 10 to 12 deep focus tasks, 12 to 12:30 break with a walk, 12:30 to 2 admin and emails, 2 to 3 creative brainstorming. Honestly, AI is a better manager than me. I got more done in 3 hours than I usually do in a day. Lunch plan. Then it was time for lunch. I told AI to give me a healthy, budget-friendly meal. AI's lunch suggestion: quinoa salad with chickpeas, cucumber, tomato, lemon dressing, glass of water or herbal tea. I'm not a salad person, but this was actually wow. AI equal nutritionist too. Afternoon task. I asked ChatGPT, what should I learn this afternoon to grow personally or professionally? AI response: learn a new productivity system, try the Pomodoro technique with Notion. It was fun, but I kept checking how much time was left like every 3 minutes. Evening challenge. Now here's where things got awkward. Prompt to ChatGPT: what is something unusual I can do tonight that's good for mental health? AI suggests turn off all your screens after 7 pm. Write a letter to your future self. Practice 20 minutes of yoga. Go stargazing. Honestly, the no screen rule was tough, but writing that letter hit me hard. AI made me emotional. Dinner decision. Dinner was AI's final say. I asked for a cozy meal with minimum effort. AI suggests make a veggie stir fry with rice and tofu. Add soy sauce, garlic and ginger for flavor. Okay AI, now you are just showing off. This was actually delicious. Bedtime went down. To wrap the day, I asked AI for a 3-step sleep routine. AI sleep routine: dim lights and play relaxing music, read 10 pages of a book, write 3 things you are grateful for. I don't know if AI hacked my brain, but I fell asleep instantly. So, I let AI control my life for 24 hours. I woke up earlier, ate healthier, get more done, felt more mindful, and slept better. The weirdest part is, I actually felt more human following a robot's advice. Sure, AI doesn't understand emotions, but it turns out it knows how to guide you better than your own brain sometimes. Would I let AI control my life every day? Probably not, but using it as a guide, a coach, or even a personal assistant, 100% yes. So, if you are feeling stuck or lazy, try giving AI the wheel for one day. You might be surprised. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe and comment below. Would you ever let AI control your life for 24 hours? I might do a part 2 soon with even crazier AI challenges. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.